If it's a darker color, the grain is against us, and that slows down the putt. And if it's away from us and the putt's going to be fast, you're going to see a lighter color of green. So that's very important, obviously. So why don't you hit another putt with that in mind? Not bad there. I can't really top that, but that's a pretty good putt right there. I mean, that was a much more focused on the speed as it relates to the elevation change.
Yeah.
And as importantly, the grain of the grass, and how we need to hit a putt with that in mind. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you about, you already figured this putt out, but because you just made it there, but is the apex point. You know what we're talking about when we talk about apex point?
Yeah, kind of like where the ball changes course. So like this putt loops quite a bit. So where it gets to the top, it kind of starts headed towards the hole.
Right, and the main point you made there is where the ball changes course. That's exactly right. I mean, this putt with such a break is kind of two putts in itself.
Yeah.
First is your goal to get it to the apex point, and then figuring out from that point what the ball is going to do, how it's going to roll, how it's going to change course. All right. So you already figured it out there, but let's just walk up to the apex point, you and I, and see if we can find it. Right. And obviously, now that you made the putt, we know that that's the apex point. But it's crucial to figure that out. One thing you did there is made a swing, made a practice putt from that point. And that's pretty key because, like we said, this is really two putts.
Yeah.
It's hitting to the apex point and then figuring out what's going to happen from that point.
Yeah.
All right, so I'll have you hit another putt here, even though you already have this one figured out. But trying to hit that apex point that we just walked up to. Not bad.